Alrighty, all right. So in this video, we're going to talk about Zscaler, right? We're also going to talk about Costco. Okay, we got to look at these charts. We have to look at the chart. Right here, this is Zscaler right here in front of us. Look at this. We had a fall from grace, okay? We had a fall from grace. I am not a fan when the stock is going downward like that unless I'm shorting it. And I don't think you're here because you're shorting it. But we're talking about it because both these stocks, the earnings is coming up. Let me just get my marker. You know this is Miss Moneymaker. You know this is anything that moves. We're going to talk about it. All righty. We have the marker. We're talking, look at this. 2 days till earnings. Okay, we have 2 days. So this is where we're trading at right now. This is the daily time frame. Okay, this is where we're trading. We're still going in a downward direction. We're below this 20 moving average. We're below the 50-day moving average and the 200. We're below all the moving averages. I'm not a fan when it's like this, okay? And we have earnings coming up, and everybody knows we have earnings coming up. This is why we're here. So we have a little bit of a situation, but now if you're in it, you know, you have a situation. If you're looking to get in it, it's like, oh, then you're seeing what I'm seeing, which is, hey, are we at a support level? Because before price, the stock, it was like a ceiling here, right? Hit his head on the ceiling, hit his head on the ceiling again and again. So this was like a resistance, I'm trying to say, right? Finally, we get above it, okay? When we come on this side, it's like a support. It's like a support. Will we bounce here? Will this be the new support level? Okay, because resistances become in the future, they start to become a support level. It turns from a ceiling into a floor where we can go like that. Okay, that's the point. And you see these moving averages, see the purple line here? When it was there before, it started to like be a support level for it. You need to get above that purple line again so you can have a support level. So if you're looking to buy in, hey, you need a little bit of time. Okay, the purple line right now is around like between like all this area. You need to get above this area, 180 to 190. You need price above that. You got to clear this line. You need to clear that line. Okay, because you want these moving averages to start turning upward. The 200 is still upward, but you need this one and this one. Okay, the 50 and the 20-day to start turning upward. Okay, especially when you get like, see this area? When they start going upward, it's like, oh, sookie. People are like, yeah, we're going to go. So you need a little bit of a moment here. Okay, we know earnings are coming up, right? So let's look at what happened in the past. Well, okay, now look at that. Green and green. What happened with the stock, though? Okay, it still fell. So it depends what the street wanted. Okay, sometimes the numbers are good, but not good enough. You know, we're finicky. It's like, oh, that's good, but that's not good enough. You brought me steak, but I wanted this with the boo and the doo. Okay, you know, hotsie tossy bougie, right? So hey, we fell. So I don't know, because if we have earnings in 2 days and it's been looking like this for a minute, will we fall lower? Okay, will we fall even lower? So that's something that could happen. And then are you looking at levels like around here, 153? 147, 139, things like that. I don't know. It could happen. We don't know. We'll get to it when it comes, right? So I wanted to show that. All right. So, hey, but you know, if you wanted to start buying in, okay. But one of the things is I'm not a fan when a stock is only like for the year. Look at this. Look at this, people. Come on now. For the year, 21%. And you expect me to get excited? We're here for more than 21%. Okay. Follow my channel. My real stocks, the hidden gems and everything, 21%. I don't want to get, yeah, no, my guy, no, lady. Come on. We need more than that. All right. So anyway, let's move on to Costco. All righty. Costco, look at us trading up here. 800. Isn't this beautiful? Costco, come on. In my sleep, making money. Love it. Love it. So also Costco, you know, we're going to have earnings in 2 days. This is why we're here. Okay. This is why we're here. So we did good with past earnings and things like that. Okay, technically over here saying buy, and it looks beautiful. This looks better, okay? Analysts saying buy. Okay, it's Costco. When is Costco going to shut down? When is Costco going to go bankrupt? Really? Yeah. No, my guy. Never, right? What? We buy things all the time. Let's show some technical levels here. God, I love this. What? Oh my gosh, we could do this all day, every day. All day, every day. Let's just look at levels. Let's just make money. What about that? Okay, so here. So now we're up high, okay? So if the earnings go good, okay, hold on. Let's look at the past. Here we go. Mixed earnings. And you see what the stock did. You see? Come on now. Bloop, 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 bloop. Down. Even though a stock could be doing good, it doesn't mean that on earnings we're still going to go up. So every time before earnings, it's a gamble. You don't know. It's better to buy after the earnings come out when you're not so sure, if you're not so sure. So here we go. If we fall from grace, then hopefully this will be, because before here we fell, right? And so then when we came to this area, see these two candles? Had a little resistance. It was the ceiling. We fell down until we could break above. Hopefully this will be the next floor of a support level, okay? So where are we looking? If you want to get into that. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, around here. Okay, so let this be your, boop, boop, everything in between this price, okay? So we're saying $780, $790 in there. Okay, if it dips back down. If it does, don't know. But you could always set some buy alerts for that price. So you can say, okay, hey, I like this. Okay, because maybe we'll have some support there. Don't know, because you know what? We are far from any kind of, I like support to be ideally, on around a moving average, like around here. See with the purple line? Okay, around here. I like it like that. So if you could hold off and get it, around this kind of touching here, oh my God, that would be beautiful if we can. 740, right? 740 area. I mean, but beggars can't be choosers and all that. So, hey, anyway, I want to leave you with this quote from Confucius before we're out. What did he say? What does he say? Jesus, who said that? Anyway, it doesn't matter how slowly you go, as long as you do not stop. I know that's right. I can't stop, won't stop, getty, can't stop, won't stop, getty. See you in the next video. Can't stop, won't stop.